Welcome once again. This is MK Cypher Films. This is your boy Michael, and today is the unboxing. Let's start.
Yo, what's happening everyone? Today we've got a special unboxing to show you, and I'm so excited for this one, so let's not wait any longer, shall we? Today we will be unboxing the FunFlix G1 multimedia projector. Quick little spin for you. Lovely. Let's get into it, shall we? Here it is, precious cargo. We'll unbox that one in a minute. As you see, you've got the power cable here, lovely stuff. The cable here, manual, always great to have. And remote control. The only thing is, this does look like a Fire Stick remote, so be careful not to confuse it. Cool. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Let me give it the space it deserves. Look at this bad boy there. Oof. Yes. Beautiful little thing, isn't it? Lovely stuff. And as you can see at the back here, you've got headphones, you've got USB, you've got HDMI, multi-use, lovely stuff. So you've got a little carry around thing as well. Remote. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin it. I'm going to have to ruin it. Ah, there we go. Open it nicely. Lovely stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. See, some of your remotes usually come with a cover and everything, but yeah, this is just nice. This, you shouldn't confuse this with your Fire Stick, hopefully. So, yes, lovely stuff as well. Brilliant. Oh, love the design. Anyway, obviously, you've got the power cable here. Not much to describe, it's a power cable. If you don't have this, then and then you have got, which I'm assuming is the HDMI cable. Not going to explain what a HDMI cable is, because hopefully you should know what this does. But essentially you connect it to the thing, to either your laptop or something that requires a HDMI cable, so you can project it as well. Obviously you've got the manual, the main thing as well. And I can't lie, usually I don't read manuals, but I'm actually going to read this one because I don't want to mess this up. But yes, different languages as well. We've got English, Dutch, French, Spanish and Italian, and I think that's Japanese. But yes, obviously you've got many different instructions as well about how far or high you should put it as well, so please make sure you pay attention to that as well. Yeah. Oh wow, it's a whole thing. Oh wow, okay. Okay, it's a whole thing. Bluetooth as well. Use a projector. Wow, this is a lot to unpack here as well. But essentially, this is what it is as well. As you can see, it's a nice, beautiful design as well. It's got a dust-proof design. A dust-proof design. If you know about projectors, you know how easily they can collect dust as well. And you've even got a tripod stand, so if you're feeling cheeky enough, you can smack it on a tripod, have it at elevated height, and hey, Bob's your uncle, you're good. And yeah, just be careful kids, because this thing here might get you in a lot of trouble, if you know what I mean. So make sure you check this out. Thank you to FunFlix for sending this to us as well. We can't wait to use it, as you'll see later on. And yeah, I've been your wireless Twitter. Stay tuned. Cyphers, let's talk about this is episode 5. Oh my gosh, we're halfway through the season already. Can you believe it? My special guest, as always, the very lovely Cindy. How are you doing, love?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
In life, because this guy really motivates me, and to just see his excellence amongst so many fields is just, it's almost ridiculous at this point. So, for those of you who don't know,
Damn, you made me look sexy.
educate on all the amazing things that you do, because alright, cool. Are we let's
Oh, not the list, bro. Oh, you get your hand on.
You ready? The hands out, bro. Like, I feel like I'm about to discipline someone. So,
What are you doing? You're just ruining everything, Lauren. I think it was like 9 to like 3 each day. Not bad.
really
Yeah.
lovely.
And you can find that film on Amazon Prime.